My name is Hannah. I have dystonia and cerebral palsy. I have cerebral palsy from a traumatic brain injury at birth. When I was 7, I started showing symptoms of dystonia. Since the age of 7, I have had involuntary movements in each limb. If I did not have this ugly condition, I could walk short distances. I could stand up and hug people I love, and I could talk. I would give anything to talk. My life would be so much easier if I could talk. If I could talk, I could say people's names. I could talk to my family on the beach. When I don't have my device, I could think of a million examples of how different my life would look like. Dystonia took away the ability to talk, but it didn't take away my ability to speak. I am a motivational speaker and an advocate for people with disabilities. I will speak up until we cure dystonia.